Somalia's powerful influence on Islam you never knew about. Somalia was so powerful it was the center of world trade. At the time, Somalia was called the Ajuran Empire, and their gold, spices, and ivory would supply Africa and Asia through its trade routes. The Ajuran Empire was known for its fearsome naval fleet, as it had control over the entire Indian Ocean. This is where you'll be surprised. Somalia and its empire had a unique history of female leadership. Queen Faduma was a powerful queen who ruled in the 16th century and was one of the earliest queens of the Islamic world. A Somali scholar, Said of Mogadishu, who studied in Mecca and Medina for 30 years, then traveled to China, was the first African to study Chinese and first to translate Chinese with a native African language like Somali. Said's brother Aziz also ruled the Maldives. Islamic astronomers from Somalia, like al-Battani, or mathematicians like al-Farisi, made great contributions to astronomy and mathematics during the Islamic Golden Age. Share for part 2 and like and follow for more surprising Islamic facts.